Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to transfer your Pi to OKX wallet. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your OKX wallet on your mobile phone. After opening the OKX wallet, you will see this page where you'll have to click on the receive icon available just right here. After clicking on receive, search for Pi under crypto, then choose Pi network. Now, it will show up your Pi deposit address where you'll have to just click on this copy button available just at the bottom right and ensure that it matches your Pi network's mainnet. Now, simply navigate to Pi browser. It is going to open up like this. Here, you'll have to simply click on the wallet icon available just right here. After clicking on wallet, you'll have to click on unlock with passphrase or unlock with fingerprint. So simply unlock your wallet and it is going to take you to your Pi's wallet where you have the option to pay or request and lockup. So make sure Pi mainnet is selected at the top and click on pay or request option. Now choose manually add wallet address, that is this plus icon. Here you'll have to paste your wallet address that we just copied. So take your cursor in this section and paste your wallet address. Now, after pasting your wallet address, you'll have to enter the amount of Pi that you want to send to OKX wallet. So, I will enter 500 Pi. Now, I'll have to simply click on the send icon. And when I click on send, I'll have to just follow the prompts provided at the next step and that will instantly transfer my Pi to OKX wallet. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.